If you have traveled to Boca Grande Island, you might have come across iguanas, lots of iguanas. As with many exotic invasive species, they can potentially cause extensive harm to the natural ecosystem.
We recognized in Charlotte County, as the residents did, that there was certainly great concerns with the iguanas and the iguana population that was increasingly growing. The county, Charlotte County, took a position that we'd like to find out not only how do we remove them, but also get some scientific data in order to aid in that removal and control of the species.
Iguanas are one of the many invasive pests that can be found in Charlotte County. Recent residents include the common green, black spiny-tailed, and the Mexican spiny-tailed iguanas. It is believed that the inhabitation of South Florida is a result of accidental importation on ships, as well as pet iguanas escaping or being released. The warm subtropical climate has helped establish breeding groups and the proliferation of these invasive species.
Are they simply getting into hibiscus? Are they simply vegetarians, eating simply the shrubs and yovas, which is certainly going to be a major headache for the property owner or landscapers or any of the others. The other problem is, what are they doing to native plants? Are they taking that out? Are they spreading, which we're now aware, due to this project with USDA, that they are a vector, which is a known spreader of the Brazilian pepper. Brazilian pepper is being found, the seeds of Brazilian pepper is being found in iguana scalp. So the other side is they're now spreading species that many people are spending a lot of money trying to eradicate. USDA is providing us with the scientific data to answer many questions. What are the foods they're actually eating? What type of native species may they be encroaching upon? And one of the latest findings, stomach contents have proven that there were gopher parts in the stomach contents of iguanas, which is a really big finding because we now know they are predating on a native species. There's different theories on whether or not they can cohabitate within the gopher burrows, and there's still studies going on with that, but we now know they are eating the eggs and the young.
Charlotte County Environmental and Extension Services offers the citizens a webpage where they can report iguana sightings. Visit charlottecountyfl.com and click on Report an Iguana Sighting.
Anywhere in Charlotte County, we now have a website in which citizens can log on under the charlottecountyfl.com website, go to residents to report an iguana. What we're trying to determine at this time is how widespread this problem is throughout Charlotte County. All folks have to do, it's a simple 3-line, name, address, and any comments they want to give, and we are able to collect the data. That's giving us data points of where they have spread throughout the county.
For more information about iguanas, visit charlottecountyfl.com. For more stories like this, tune in to Charlotte Showcase, a half-hour magazine show produced for you by CCTV 20.